say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Hello guys, hope you guys are well. I know I've done my face, like I've done my foundation routine. I'm going to move over to the eyes, and today I'm going to be reviewing, I can't talk, I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty Nude palette. It comes in the PRO package like this. And on the PRO package, you have this rope right here I'm wearing, and I think you're supposed to do, oh my god, it's my wedding day. Look at me. Look at me go. Oh, she's just, her packaging is just amazing. This is all the instruction you need to know about the palette, the eyeshadows, the name of the eyeshadows, everything about it is right here. I just love that it's all nude, like, you understand? Mostly people that do bridal makeup, they are going to love this palette because it's everything you need in a nude palette. Like the packaging is nude, everything, it's just nude and expensive. I really checked how much this palette is going to go for, but if I find that out, I will link it right here on the video. So the brushes looks like this. I love the way the brushes look, and there's something about 2-in-1 brush that just makes sense, because you don't have to have like different brushes. 2-in-1, one up here, one down here, you're good to go. And the packaging looks like this. You look at it and it's pretty. That's Huda Beauty. Say hello. You have all the instruction right here at the back. It has a mirror. Palette looks like this. Different colors going about inside of here. Like I can see gold, I can see silver. I don't know how she like pressed them. It's different. You can see it right here. Different shade inside of it, like one packaging, the way they pressed it. Then when you apply it, it's not gold, it's not silver. It's something else. Pigment. Just one swatch. I just use like one. Enough about talking about the palette too much. Shall we use it? I'm going to use the Urban Decay primer portion to prime my lid. Huda Beauty powder in Kunafa. I'm going to use that to set. I don't want it to move around. You have 15 matte shade, you have pressed glitter, you have cream base. Oh, there's a cream base somewhere. Oh, it's right here. Wow, that's, why did I not think of that? There's a cream base on this palette and it's right here, like a concealer. So you can use it to prime your lid before the eyeshadow. Good thoughts, good thinking. Try to read the instruction, right? Or you want to use this palette, you don't need any eyeshadow base. Just come to the palette, you use the cream base for your eyeshadow. Huh. Why must she think of everything? I use her brush. I'm going to take this, toss off the excess and blend. With the way our brush is, the shape of the brush, you can't really like blend like that. You have to like press the eyeshadow in the shape of the brush. The pigmentation is not bad because I'm using a light hand, and also it's very soft on the eyes. Let's look at, it's a nude palette. You don't expect like different like crazy color going around, but the way she arranged it is still suitable for a chocolate girl to use. Shade right here. So, oh wow, that is a berry tone color. Like it doesn't get nude than that. A berry tone color. This brush is nice. Very soft, don't need to wet it. Then apply this on the outermost corner of the eyes. Just like I said, the shape of the brush, you don't like go crazy, you just tap. If you are using a different brush that is not hand-wound, you can just go crazy and blend. But this one, all you do is tap. Tap, then you blend slightly. You have to be fancy when you are using this brush. You see why I said 2-in-1 brush is nice? Because you can just flip it over and use the smaller side. You can flip it over and use the bigger side instead of you looking for the brush. I like using 2-in-1 brush. I have one by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I have one by, I think, Black Canvas Cosmetic. There are other brands that have 2-in-1 brush. I just feel it's a good thinking. With the Nude palette, what do? You don't go crazy, right? You just do a fancy look and you move along. Simple as ABCD. This brush, it's not really a brush. You know those things that you get in a palette? You know those cheap palette that you throw away? But Huda Beauty packaged it to be looking cute. You know those where that they put on the palette and you just throw in the bin? That's how this feels like. It's not a brush. The shade. The formula of this one is creamy, as you can see, but it's not creamy. But it's creamy, but dry creamy. I don't know how to explain it. You have to like go to the shop and feel it. It's creamy on the hand, but when you apply it, it's not like creamy eyeshadow. It's just dry. Applicator that she came up with. It's nice to apply this eyeshadow. I'm missing these 2 shades. I'm tempted to use the glitter. I'm going to try this. I don't think I need the glitter. The glitter is not really showing up because you need a glitter glue to apply the glitters, so it's not really showing up. So traditional colors that we used. And use this to blend the hash line. This is like a bridal makeup. I can't talk. I've lost my voice. Like, I've been seeing this palette online, but the only thing that comes to my mind is bridal like. For eyeliner, I'm going to use Fenty Beauty eyeliner. When next I use this palette, I'm going to do like an all matte look. I'm going to use the 24/7 eyeliner by Urban Decay. This is a nice black eyeliner. These 2 shades. For mascara, I'm going to use the Thrive Cosmetic mascara. To use Huda Beauty lashes. Take this face powder by Technique. Use this blush palette by It's Cosmetic. Looks like this. Forget it spray. To use the Huda Beauty lipstick is to buy this. Packaging is out of this world. Trophy Wife and Shameless. I'm going to use a lip liner by NYX. It complements the eyes. So I'm going to take the shade Shameless. I'm going to use the Becca Cosmetic highlighter. I'm going to use the Spectrum brush in CO7. Not a bad highlighter, you know. This shadow right here. So, my thought on the Huda Beauty Nude palette is a yes. Yes, yes, buy, please buy, buy, buy. This is cute. If you can see this to buy it. It complements the palette. Like, this is a complete look of nude. This palette is beautiful, sexy, nice for bridal. If you are like a makeup artist, you do bridal makeup, I would recommend this palette for you to buy. But if you just like nude palette, no color nude palette, you are going to love this. This is really nice. I'm going to take this off my head for you guys to see the eye look, the face look, and all that bits. I just want to like do this with this on my head for you guys to understand how I feel about it. The pigmentation is nice. You have fallouts from some of the eyeshadow, but it's not so crazy. I like the fact that you can use a brush to apply the product, not your finger. You understand what I'm saying? So I love the thoughts. I love the whole thinking about this palette. She really puts like thought into this particular palette. Yeah, and it's suitable for dark skin girl. Don't be scared of this color. The colors are big pigmented enough to show up on our skin tone. So it's a yes for me. I don't have anything bad to say about it. Yes, it's a nice palette. So let me do an intro.